So I started at the Phoenix terminal back in 2017. This is where my roots are, and I'm very passionate about the AZ team. A lot of the drivers that I'm managing now, I also managed when I first started here as a DM when I first came in. I'm biased again. I think this is the best terminal in the company. Not only because it's headquarters, but because our drivers are deeply rooted within the terminal as well. So when I first started, we were all up front, crammed in there, and since then, I mean, they built this amazing facility. We have the bowling alley, the awesome basketball court. They have the games and everything up front, and then even the museum back there. It's pretty cool to go back there and see that, and everything's kind of a big and open. I like that there's no cubicles. Everybody's kind of like an open air environment.
It's the flagship. All the drivers refer to it as our mothership. We have multiple different business units working out here. The owner-op department is based out of this terminal. We have a body shop, we have an inspection lane and trailer shop, and then we have the new expanded main shop.
The Knight CDL Academy is a place of potential opportunity and growth. We highly focus on the individual student's development, with our goal being that we want to develop the next generation of drivers to be highly effective and safe, and not only for the benefit of Knight Transportation, but for the industry as a whole. One of our primary things that sets us apart from other academies is our success rate. We genuinely have an over and above pass rate from the surrounding schools in our area, and an excellent rating with the Department of Transportation.
So here in Phoenix, we have one of our training centers. New drivers that just got their CDL have an opportunity to come, and they spend a week here with our instructors, where they'll practice here out on the yard, where they'll practice their close quarter maneuvers, their backing, fine-tune those skills. You know, backing a trailer isn't necessarily intuitive. It's not as easy as backing a car. So this gives them that opportunity to work on that, further develop their skills, work with the terminals, the facilitators to learn what trucking life is like. All new CDL holders will go through this program. It's kind of like a bridge from getting your CDL to going out with a trainer, and then the next step after that would be being on your own.
The culture here it's different from anywhere I've worked, where it doesn't matter who you're speaking to, there's an open door. You can walk in and talk to anybody at any time.
Our team's very supportive with drivers on a day-to-day basis in regards to just communication is really the biggest thing. That's something we pride ourselves on, is making sure we're picking up the phone, we're having a conversation, we're not relying on text messages, we're not relying on zonars, we're actually getting a little bit more of an interaction.
Our drivers know that anytime they want, they can come up in here, sit down, have a conversation, whether it's about work or personal stuff, you know, work through whatever they're going through at the time. A lot of them just like to come in, you know, joke around a little bit, and then hit the road and get the job done.
We have a very diverse freight market. The customers that we have coming out of here, they kind of ship in all directions. We don't necessarily just have one specific power lane. We can generally accommodate any driver who's looking to run pretty much any schedule, from 5 and 2s to full 48 to 11 Western to I-5. We can kind of hit it all. I hope they feel like this is the place that they want to stay in, the place that they want to work at, and kind of see their career here. Those are generally the main things that I look for when we get a new guy in. It's just a nice, comfortable environment in a place that they can kind of thrive and succeed. It's
the culture, it's the people I work with day in and day out. You know, a lot of them are my coworkers, my friends, and I like what I do. We're one big family. Sometimes we have disagreements, but at the end of the day, we all care about each other and wish for the best.
Watching the team grow and develop as individuals when they first come, from day one to when they're here for a year. We just recently had 2 people promoted from our team, one to a terminal manager, one to a planner. Seeing that happen within the team is probably what I'm most proud of, and just seeing people grow and develop and kind of reach their full potentials.